Assalamu alaikum, programmer Cheema here from Bold Aesthetic Creative Studios. I'm gonna show you a trick with which you can create 2D explosions or heat effects really quickly, and you don't need to import anything or draw anything in Photoshop or GIMP. It is pretty generic that you can use in making prototype in game jams or even in complete games. So let's dive into the Unity. So here I have selected 2D, and you can also do the same thing in universal project template. So now what you have to do is to right click the assets or hover over create, go to sprites, and there is the circle. You click it and just enter it and drag drop here, and then sprite mask, circle mask, right? And just add a circle here and just move it over there, right? There we go. Now you have to select the circle again. Now you click the circle, see the inspector, sprite renderer, and here you can see mask interaction. You have to just click here and say visible outside mask, right? And there you go. When the circle's outside the mask, it renders, otherwise it don't, and it creates this kind of effect. We can create a crescent moon with it, very cool. Now after that you have to put the mask in the circle, right? It's now inside the circle. Now the circle is the parent. Now what you have to do is to create an animation for the circle, right? You click on create and you just call this explosion or heat effect, whatever you want to create, and after that you get this animation thingy down there, and now all you have to do is to just make the size 0 and then expand it. Click on this thing, call this 0 0, go ahead, do till 1, and there it is, right? This thing, really cool. I would recommend it to go like above 1, like 2, right? And yeah, there it is. Now you can make it better using the curves, and let's see how it acts, right? Yeah, there it is. You have to do the same for the circle as well, and you go somewhere around 20 or something, and you just want it, right? Let's see. It's looking really cool. Now let's add script to it. So here's the basic explosion script. Here I am changing the local position of the child of circle, that's the white part of the explosion, because the mask is inside that circle, right? And so that's why I'm assessing the child and then basically randomizing the position of that mask. Similarly, you can also randomize the color if you so wish. I'm using a private string array, but you can also use a gradient. Each and every explosion will be different, right? Which may be the effect you want. And here is the result. I hope you liked these explosions. I have just grouped them together. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it and you learned this cool little effect that I made in front of you. Thanks to all my Patreons, and for now it's only one, and that is Chris Dalion. Good luck, take care of yourself, Allah Hafiz.